coming at you guys from my kitchen. So I put a poll out on my Instagram asking what type of videos that you guys wanted to see and if you wanted to meal prep with me. And the overwhelming response that I got was yes, you wanted more food videos. And the last video was doing so good about my whole what I eat in a day and everything. I'm back with 2 recipes that I'm going to share with you guys that a lot of people have been asking me about. Then another one I'm going to show you guys that I'm super excited to try out for myself, actually. So, they're both kind of breakfasty because I'm so into breakfast. So the first one is my protein balls, which they can be breakfast. Because they've just been my like sweet alternative. They're literally so good. And the second one is Corin's granola. That's what we're calling it. So let's get right on in to the video and let's see how to make these. So all the ingredients that you're going to need are rolled oats, honey, peanut butter, chocolate chips, and unsweetened coconut flakes. So I'm going to start out by adding 2 cups of oats. Then I'm going to add my 1/2 cup of honey. Next, I'm going to add my cup of peanut butter. Next, I'm going to put in my dark chocolate chunks. I put in about 1/2 bag, but it calls for a 1/2 cup. And then I put unsweetened coconut flakes, and I did a 1/2 cup of those as well. Now you can use a melon scoop like I am using, or you can just roll them up with your hands. I put them out on a cookie sheet and then I put them in the refrigerator to chill. I like to keep mine in the refrigerator until I eat them, so it's a super easy meal prep and you can just grab them on the go. I eat about 3 a day and they are so good. They're great for sugar replacement. For the granola, you can kind of use whatever type of nuts or granola that you want. That's what kind of makes it special. And I didn't really measure out a lot of stuff because I was doing for different portions and for meal prepping. But I went ahead and lined my pan with some olive oil, and then I did a generous amount of honey. I ended up adding a little bit more as I started to saute all of my things together. Then I put in my almonds and sunflower seeds. Next, I'm going to add in a Kind brand granola mix that I found. It does not have any extra added sugars or anything. It was just coconut flakes and granola. And I sauteed it all together into the pan and adding honey and cinnamon as I go. This is a super simple recipe and it's so good, and it's great for meal prepping because you can just put it in a little container and pop it in the microwave to warm it up. Now to serve, I got some dairy-free yogurt and I put that in some bowls, and then I sprinkled the granola on top with some berries. It's absolutely delicious for a snack, for breakfast. It is great for on the go. Literally so good. Great meal prep.